sports analyst Robert Marawa tests positive. Robert Marawa has taken to his Instagram to release an official statement addressing a personal matter publicly. The star stated that he was diagnosed with the pandemic recently. He started it by thanking his family, close friends, and fans who have shown concern during his absence. Robert shared he has been in strict self-isolation as it started off like flu-like symptoms. He went on to share details of how he was being treated as he said the pandemic is real. Many of his fans and other celebrities took to the comment section to wish him a quick recovery.
Yeah.